In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these chemistry problems under periodicity of elements. So guys, we have two repeated questions to practice with in this video under periodicity. So let's get started. The first question I have here says, which of the following statements about the behavior of the atom is correct? So we have option A, atomic size decreases across a period. We have atomic size decreases than the group. We have anion are smaller than the parent atom. We have cations are smaller than the parent atom. So guys, the right option to this question would be atomic size decreases across a period. Okay, that's the answer to this question. What atomic size does is that it increases than the group basically, but decreases across the period. Alright, across the period shells are added, whereas than the group electrons are added. So the right answer to this question is option A. Very important, take note of this particular question. Atomic size decreases across the period. Alright, so that's about this question. The next question with this one, it says, which of the following arrangement is in order of increasing ionization energy? Okay, so we are looking at order of increasing ionization energy. So we have this option A. This is silicon, aluminium, sulfur and phosphorus. We have silicon, phosphorus. We have sulfur, phosphorus, silicon, aluminium. We have aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur. We have phosphorus, silicon, sulfur, aluminium. So the right option to this question will be this option C. Yeah, this option C, because they are in the same period, that's period 3. So after aluminium, you see silicon. After silicon, you see phosphorus. After phosphorus, you see sulfur. And you know that ionization energy increases across the period. So since they are in the same period, the right arrangement according to order of ionization energy increase will be this option C. So we have aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur. So this basically can deal with problems involving periodicity of atom or elements. We dealt with two repeated questions in this video. Hope there's something interesting from the video. Let's quit the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. So tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to be a question in the comment section below, and I will ensure to give you a response. So ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button, where we're getting premium information that will help you to excel in your external exams with writing. Alright, so having known this, click on the screen above and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.